I started with Dr. Ian September the 10th was when we had our first Zoom call, and I began the elimination autoimmune protocol portion right away. And within a couple of weeks, this dried up, and I have not had a problem. My name is Laura Talbot. I live in Oklahoma, and I have a custom bakery. Life really wasn't much different, but I was having some blood work that I didn't like, and it was not fixing itself on its own. It was not fixing itself with my own intervention, and my primary doctor just wanted to give me medications that I did not want to take because of side effect reasons. And I had been watching Dr. Ian on TikTok for several years, at least 3 or 4 years, before I finally made the decision to just go for it and see what he had to say about my blood work. His information was consistent. He did not backtrack on anything that he had said previously, but his approach to diagnosis is always the same, and that built confidence for me. I've been on allergy medication for 5 years, getting a shot every single week in my arm for 5 years. And I still had constant post-nasal drip, constant allergies, constant sneezing, and my mouth and ears just itching in the back. For some reason, my autoimmune system, I've lost my sense of smell and just had constant mucus, and I hadn't been able to figure it out on my own. And so I went to an ENT, I went to my primary, and then sent me to the allergist, where they proceeded to give me shots once a week for 5 years to no avail. Nothing changed except I just constantly still had my problem. And within just a couple of weeks of being with Dr. Ian and being on the supplement protocol that he prescribed for me, it's all gone. Seeing the results come back and him walking through every single one of those pieces and the numbers, and then 30 days later, 60 days later, whenever we did it, seeing those numbers change on the right side was pretty amazing. Just the relief of not having the sinus issues is worth it for me. Dr. Ian was forthright in what he saw in my blood work, in what he wanted me to do for the protocol for my situation. And he and his staff were available to speak to me. They told me what they wanted me to do. I did it, and I got the results that they told me I would get.